Okay, hello, Mr. Albert. This is a computer architecture project done by myself, Myron Low, and Chien Yuan, which is there. Okay, then I'll go next. Okay, so a brief introduction is our team, our company, which offer renovation works for both residential and commercial projects. So, as part of upgrading our office systems, we are looking to purchase 2 laptops for the sales team and 2 desktops for the designer team. Yeah, so it will include this report will include our evaluation, comparisons, and also the 2 desktops, and also for the 2 laptops, for the hardware and software components. And then we'll provide a final recommendation on the suitable desktop model and the suitable laptop model. Okay, so for the 3 desktops, this is what we have. These are 3 that we have chosen, which is the Asus M52AD Extreme, and the Asus P50AD, and the Lenovo C50. Both the Asus models are both tower PCs, whereas the Lenovo C50 is an all-in-one PC. As you can see, the price, the Asus M52AD is the highest at $1,899, while the Asus P50AD is $1,299, and the Lenovo C50 is only at $1,049. Okay, moving on. So for the specifications and good memory, as you can see, the Asus M52AD has a 16GB memory at 1600 MHz, which is the highest as compared to the Asus P50AD and Lenovo C50, which only has 2GB and 8GB respectively. And as for the processor, the Asus M52AD also has the most up-to-date processor, utilizing the Intel Core i7-4790 processor, while the other 2 are only using 4th generation Intel Core i5 processors. And moving on to the graphics card, the graphics card of the Asus M52AD is the NVIDIA GTX 960, while the other 2 are only GT 720 and GeForce 820A respectively. And then the NVIDIA GTX 960 is like the fastest. It runs at a GPU clock speed of 1228 megahertz. And then and finally we choose the Asus M52AD as our the desktop to buy. Although it's the most expensive, but from all the specifications we can tell it's really worth its money. So we decided to buy 2 of it. Okay, so now I'll pass it to Chien Yuan to move on to the laptops.
Okay, so for my laptop research, I'll be comparing 2 laptops. One of them is the Lenovo ThinkPad X260 and the other one is the ThinkPad T450. So their prices are $1,686 and $2,177 respectively. Okay, so I'll be comparing their battery life and their weight, which is vital for the sales team, which is like constantly moving around. So for the battery life of the X260, its battery life is up to 21 hours, which is higher than the T450, which is 13 hours only. And for the weight of the ThinkPad T450, it's 1.8 kilograms. While it's quite light, the ThinkPad X260 weighs a mere weight of 1.3 kilograms. So we can see that ThinkPad X260 is lighter and mobile as compared to the T450. So I'll choose the ThinkPad X260 as our laptop to buy because it will greatly help the sales team as it has high battery life, and also it has a very little weight compared to the rest of the laptops out there. Okay, so for productivity software, so for our chosen printer, we would like to choose the Canon PIXMA IP8720 inkjet printer because inkjet printer works differently from the other printers. It is coated with inkjet. Okay, it prints out inkjet paper and doesn't use the regular ink that a normal printer uses, so that the print so whatever is printed has a higher resistance against smudging in portfolios, and also is fade resistant for as compared to the normal printer. And from this we can say that the company can save money, as they do not need to waste money for the maintenance costs of the computers, of the printers.
Productivity.
Okay, so for productivity software, we have chosen Evernote Scannable as our productivity software. This is because Evernote Scannable is a device that is downloaded on a mobile phone, a mobile app, and it can allow the sales team to it captures images, important documents, and immediately converts it into PDFs. So it can allow information such as customer information and any specifications to be sent to the design team, and will greatly improve communication between both parties. And for the security software, I'll let Myron say more about it.
Okay, so for the security software, we have chosen Norton security software as compared to the McAfee one, as the Norton security can ensure the safety of the company's data through protecting the company against external viruses as well as malicious websites. And also, why McAfee can also do that, but why we chose main reason why we chose Norton against McAfee is because at the same price of $49.99, the Norton antivirus can cover up to 5 devices, which can greatly save the company's money, as we have to buy 2 desktops and 2 laptops. This Norton can just cover all of it instantly, whereas for the McAfee one, it can only cover 1 device, so it is not that worth it in a sense.